Hi everyone, this is Sean Chua. Welcome back. Now today I'm going to share with you a question that I get from my students and their parents after release of their O-level results, which is whether they should go to JC or polytechnics. Alright, so let me share. Now for students who like to go to junior college, the JC, I think there are four main reasons. Number one is because they want a fast track route to university. Why? Because in JC, you only have to take 2 years to complete your A-levels, and after that you go to the university. But to do a diploma in polytechnics, it will take 3 years. Alright, so there is an additional 1 year. So a fast track route for the JCs. The second reason is because the students want to have a delayed response to making a decision in terms of what they want to do as a career. Let me explain what do I mean by that. Now, when you go to a polytechnic to pursue a diploma, you basically will have to select a choice, alright, a course choice, alright, a choice of a specialization on what you want to do as an adult, alright, in your adulthood. So that choice has to be made. Now, if you go to JC, you don't have to make that choice. All you have to do is choose either the science stream or the art stream, and after which you have a delayed response to make that choice, because you have the flexibility to have a lot of courses to choose in university. Alright, so that is the second reason. And the third reason that a student would like to go to JC is because they enjoy their secondary school life and they like that kind of systematic hand-holding learning approach, whereby the teachers are always there to kind of guide them. They are always there to like bug them if they never submit their homework, things like that, right? And the fourth reason is because they like to wear their uniform, alright? So carry on with junior college. You have all the uniforms you want, alright? Now, for students who like to go to polytechnic is slightly different, right? So the first main reason I think a student would like to go polytechnic is because they're very, very clear of their career plan. They know what they want to do as an adult. So they'll choose a so-called diploma or their choice, whereby they're going to study very, very hard and for it. And because they love that course so much, right? Because they choose it, they're going to do well enough, and if they want to get a degree, they can so-called enter the local university with a good grade, right, in their diploma. So seats are given to students from polytechnic, but once again, be careful. Do note that there are less seats given to diploma students as compared to the A-level students, all right? Now, the next reason that students like to choose a polytechnic is probably they want to have a more self-directed learning approach. They don't want someone to bug them, alright? In the polytechnic, the lecturers, the tutors were not there to probably mark your attendance. Whether you attend or not is up to you. It's really your choice, right? So they will also not bug you in terms of whether you hand out your homework here and there or not, right? Again, it is all independent learning. Also, it's because you want to have a more hands-on approach to learning in diploma. In polytechnic, there's lots of say experiments to conduct, all right, and reports to do if you're science students. If not, in other courses, you will have a lot of presentations and reports once again, all right. Now, so is there other reasons? Yes, I think there are two more reasons. One more reason, you don't like to wear the uniform, so you like to wear your own jeans, t-shirt and shirts and so on and so forth. And last but not least is because you didn't do so well in terms of aggregate score, and in JC, you might not be able to choose the JC of your choice to enter, but in polytechnic, there are still some courses where you can enter, and it's something that might still interest you, and therefore, why not go for the polytechnic course, alright? So once again, this is why some students should choose the JC and other students choose the polytechnic route. Alright, hope that's useful to you. If you have anything to add, do let me know so I can share with students and their parents the next time round. Alright, bye-bye and take care.